Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm very nervous and excited to make this one though because we just got Twitch partnered. I know, it's crazy. I can't believe it. We've been streaming for 4 months. Like, that just blows my mind that we've been streaming for 4 months and we got accepted into the partnership program for Twitch. Like, I'm a little excited. So I thought because of that, what I would do today is give you a bit of my top tips, my top 5 tips of what I did to get where I am today. I do want to start by saying it is very different. The journey is different for everyone, and what I did may not work for you at all. So take what I say with a grain of salt. I'm just sort of giving you basically what I did to get where I am today. So my first tip when you start streaming is to pick a game that you actually enjoy. It's quite tricky to find a game out there that's not overly saturated, but you also want to find a game that you're passionate about. If you have no interest in the game but you're choosing it because technically it's your way to success, you're not going to get very far. You want to enjoy what you're doing. The main part about streaming is to be enjoyed. If you're not having fun with it, what's the point? So what I did was I started streaming a very mainstream, popular, very saturated game, Valorant. Now, I was terrible at it. But I was having a lot of fun with friends. And then one night I thought, I love the game of The Sims 4. I wonder if that's actually something I can stream, whether people would be interested. So I went to the categories and I looked through browse, and I found out that it wasn't overly saturated, that there were billions of people watching and there's no way I'd get noticed, but it was watchable enough that there's actually going to be people coming along. So that's where I thought, well, why not try? And that's where I started, and now I'm a Sims 4 streamer pretty much predominantly. So the second tip I have for you guys today is to be interactive with chat. Now, I know this is a little bit difficult, especially if you're playing a game that's very focused on gameplay, but the point about streaming is that you are with chat, you are interacting, it's a conversation. That's the difference between Twitch community and YouTube videos. YouTube videos you're more just watching and you can comment after, but it's not real time. That's what's so special about Twitch. You actually have a community and it's a conversation while you're playing. A lot of you guys have asked me what to do if nobody jumps in, because I know those first couple of streams, whether it be like the first 2 or 3 streams or the first 70 streams, you might not get anyone in there and it might feel like you're just speaking to the void. What do you do then? How do you chat to no one? I've got 2 options for you. So the first one is what I did quite a bit. I really just spoke my mind. So if I was making a Sims character, I'd just be like, I really like this dress on it. No, actually, oh, that's a little bit hard. We don't talk about that dress here. No. Like, just little things like that I'd normally do in my head anyway. I'd speak it out loud. But what that does is when someone comes into your stream, they're not just watching you just sitting there playing The Sims, they're actually watching you be a part of the game. And it's really intriguing to them to see how you're doing and how you can keep, getting to know them. And what are they building? What are they making? Why do they think that's a bad choice? Hey, I've got an idea, maybe I'll type it in chat. So it's really, you're trying to encourage chat in your community. Another way you can do that is by hopping in a Discord call with one of your friends, or any form of voice call, so that you're chatting with someone. If you struggle to chat just out of the blue, like blah, 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 just word vomit like I do, you can easily just get on a little voice call with someone and they can just hang out. You guys just hang out. Another way to be interactive with chat is to have a webcam. Now, I know not all of you can afford a webcam, or you don't feel comfortable with that. That is perfectly fine. I know for me, I really enjoyed the webcam because it sort of gave the viewer this personal connection with you. They can see you, they see your face. It sort of adds that personality and community into the Twitch. But also, I have had a few of you say that you don't feel comfortable with putting your webcam on, but that is also fine. What I would recommend doing then is making your stream interactive and fun, so it's not just a blank screen of the game. Maybe put a cool border, cool alerts. There's a little person you can get at the bottom of your screen that's like a little fluff ball, and it's Kappamon. So kappamon.com, you can Google that. It's totally free. You can get more expensive ones, but it's totally free. And it just says hi whenever someone jumps in chat. Little things like that to sort of personalize your stream, make people think, oh, what's that? How can I get that to work? Maybe I'll type something in chat. The aim is for you to get to know people. so they can become a part of your community and it can all grow from there. Now, tip number 3. Basically, this one is where some people will call it networking. I don't like that term. I don't like the term networking because it sort of feels like you are going to visit people's streams just for business purposes and trying to get your name out there so that you can benefit from it. But really, it's more that you're trying to show support to your fellow streamers. We're all out here. We're all out new Twitch streamers, new exciting journey, and you want to go help your friends. Like, I know I really appreciate it when people jump into my stream and sit there for anywhere between 1 minute and 5 hours. Like, it means the world to me, so I'd love to be able to do that for other people. That way we can support our fellow streamers and help the whole community grow as one. That's another part. Do not compare yourselves to other streamers. It's the worst thing you can do. It's the worst thing you can do because it can hurt your soul. It can make you feel, what am I doing wrong? Why did they do this better than me? How did that happen? It can really, you can get in your head. You can get in your head. But Twitch is a journey. Twitch is a journey for all of us. And the way I do it is completely different to the way plenty of other people do it. Word vomit. More and more word vomit. Now, this next tip is mainly for people trying to get affiliated. So I know when I wanted to get affiliate, you need an average of 3 viewers. Now, that seems to be the hardest part of affiliate for most people. Not everyone, but getting to 50 followers is a difficult, thing. Streaming a certain amount of days, certain amount of hours is doable, but getting an average of 3 viewers can sometimes be difficult. That's why what I did was I got one of my really good friends to lurk for me. She didn't even have to watch. But she lurked. I did the same for her channel. We just lurked on each other's channels. That way, even if it's just one viewer, just that one viewer, it bumps up your name in the list in the category, so people are more likely to check you out. There is a mentality for people to go, oh, no one's watching. There's 0 people watching. I don't know. But if they already see there's number 1 there, there's someone watching. Maybe they should go check it out as well. Tip number 5. My final tip, it's pretty much the most important in my eyes, is be true to you. What are you streaming for? What are you doing it for? What's your purpose for it? Is it to have fun? Is it to make some new friends? Is it to show off your super cool gaming skills? What are you streaming for? And that's the purpose behind it. If you want to hold on to your purpose, be true to yourself. If you put on this facade, just because you think it'll please people, you're going to get more followers quicker, you think you're going to get further, but you're going to get to a point where you can't put that fake mask on anymore and it's going to fall to pieces, and you don't want to have to put on this facade. Just be yourself and people will join for you. You are the one that makes your community. If you are cultivating a beautiful community, if you are encouraging what you want to see, what type of reactions you want them to give you, that is what you're going to get in return. Just know that you are in charge of your community. You are in charge of your stream. This is your platform. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And if someone is there, because there will be trolls. Let's be real, there's going to be trolls. Whether you've got 1 viewer or 100 viewers or 1,000 viewers, there are always going to be trolls on the internet. But the best thing is, you got a little ban button. They're causing trouble, just go, no, ban. So I just want to end by saying, first of all, a massive thank you to everyone who's helped me get where I am today. The thought of getting partnered on Twitch, like a Twitch partner. I got it on my first application, which is mind-boggling. Actually getting accepted into the Twitch partnership program is an absolute dream come true, and it's thanks to you guys. So thank you for every single one of you who have been in my stream, who have done a little lurk even when they can't be there, who've supported it, encouraged everyone that comes in. I wanted to thank you guys, because you guys are the reasons I'm here today. You guys are the reason. What's my final piece of advice? Last but not least, this is just my journey. This is what I have done to get here today. You do not have to take any of this on board. This is just what I have done, and hopefully this helps you just that little bit and get that confidence to start. Because I'll tell you right now, the hardest part about streaming, the hardest part about pushing for that affiliate, the hardest part about pushing for partner is starting. Making that decision, yeah, that's what we're going to do. This is where we're going. This is where we're going to go. It's really scary, guys, but trust me when I say this, we've all got your back. And if there's anything I can do, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching my latest YouTube video. It's been a lot of fun. And feel free to come say hi. Come say hi to Cheesy on my Twitch channel. It'll be like somewhere here. Somewhere. I can't decide. I haven't decided where it's going to be yet. Twitch.tv/cheesywine. But yeah, can't wait to see you all there. And I hope this helped. And I love you all, my beautiful cheesy fam. Mwah, mwah, mwah.